attempt something with the next several videos. I don't know how long this will take, but it's probably not going to be quick. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I use glue from Satellite City, and this picture is part of the founders of Satellite City participated in a satellite, I think that was the name of the plane, and it was a contest for model airplane builders. That plane right there is the same plane that's shown on their accelerator, and it's on their website, but that's what I'm going to try to build. I don't know a lot about model airplanes. I don't know a lot about remote controlled airplanes, but I'm going to learn. And this will probably be quite a long project. We're going to see if we can build this. This is from a May 1972 issue of American Aircraft Modeler magazine. So that's what we're going to be working on. Stick with me. I'm also going to put this video on my other channel, Bailey Model Works. So it's going to be on Bailey Woodworks and Bailey Model Works. I might put some videos on one or the other channel and not on the other, so you'll have to check that one out as well to get all of the content. Hopefully we can make something work. This looks like a fairly complicated build, and I need more information than what's on this. I'm going to keep doing some research, see what I can find, and we're going to build it.